What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? In this video, I'm super excited to share with you guys how I made $80 per day uploading simple 8-second videos. And I'm also going to log onto my dashboard in a bit and show you live earnings that I've earned myself from this. This does not take a lot of time to set up. It takes about an hour or two, and this kind of runs by itself as the software and the social media platforms that I'm going to show you does all the hard work for you. There's no difficult skills or really any skills needed for this at all. You just need about an hour or two of your time to set this up. I'm also going to give you access to the best software that will create and literally do this for you. This is also going to be a paid and a free strategy, and I'm going to show you how the paid strategy will really give you a big boost with this. This is worldwide. You can do this off your mobile phone as well if you'd like, so you don't really need a PC. You can just use your phone. And this is going to be a great and really a nice and easy, faster way to make some extra cash online, to invest into something more sustainable perhaps down the line, such as affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or drop servicing, to build a bigger business online. And if you watch every step of this video until the end, I'm going to give you a paid ClickBank course that I bought myself completely for free. But make sure to watch until the end so that you can get that. And just quickly, this giveaway is actually for everybody in this video. It's not just a matter of one person winning this. I'm giving this giveaway to every single viewer that clicks on this video and decides to watch it until the end. But I quickly want to show you my earnings from this strategy. So this strategy is all about CPA marketing. It's going to make sense as we go through this. And I just want to show you on my live Max Bounty dashboard that today I've earned about $86.40 doing this. And I know this is not hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars, but what's really nice about the strategy, it's really easy and it pays decent. It's not that it pays nothing, it pays pretty solid. And yesterday I earned about $95 doing a strategy like this, and this month so far about $1,189. And just to refresh to show you that this is my live dashboard, if I right click on reload, take a look at this. And there you can see that this is indeed my live dashboard. However, I have spent on this $1,100 about $200 in the paid strategy. So you could say profit is at about $900 from this, but most of this has actually come from the free strategy, which I'm actually going to show you how I set up. And what I'm going to do is you need to come over here to the search section, and we need to go and find any kind of CPA offer. So there's one general one that I've actually been using. I use this one quite a lot. It's called the PayPal giveaway. So there's actually a company right now running a PayPal giveaway over here of a $1,000 PayPal prepaid gift card, where you get $2.40 per lead. So what this company does is it collects leads by paying people like you and me to go and promote their landing page, where people can sign up for this giveaway. They build an email list of hundreds of thousands of people. They then promote affiliate offers, various different ways of monetizing that email list, where they make tens of thousands of dollars back, and as a reward they're giving $1,000 away to a lucky email subscriber. But we're not selling anything. We're not trying to sell any kind of affiliate products. We're not trying to cold sell people services or skills or anything like that. This is actually all free because you're literally giving someone the chance to win $1,000. Who doesn't want to take maybe 2 minutes out of their day to sign up for that, to stand a chance of winning $1,000? That's why something like this converts very high. So all you do is, let's click on this offer over here, and there's a couple of things we do have to go and notice. So I want you to notice that the countries allowed is only United States. So a lot of people get this wrong in a sense. They'll promote this all over social media, they'll get a whole bunch of clicks, but they don't get any conversions because the traffic is not from that specific country. So for example, I'm from South Africa. I can't click on this website, go sign up, because it won't work, because it's only accepted in the United States. But I'm going to show you how I've only been specifically targeting a United States audience. And also there's only 100 actions per day at $2.40 per lead, so that means you can make a max of $240 a day doing this. And then all you want to do is you want to build your tracking link over here. We can click, I think it's raw link, and then click on contextual. Yes, so over here you can see I'm actually just going to switch my VPN onto United States so I can actually show you what this landing page looks like. And this is what the landing page looks like. And all your lead has to do is fill in this information, such as their first name, their date of birth, their mobile number, and their zip code, so they can get sent their PayPal prepaid gift card of $1,000. And as soon as someone that you refer to this landing page signs up on this, you are going to get paid $2.40, which is really, really crazy, considering we aren't selling anything. This is not that hard to convert simply because we don't have to go cold promote anything. Like I mentioned, we're just giving someone the opportunity to win $1,000. Who would not want to sign up for that? So now that we have our landing page and now that we have our affiliate link, we need to come over to this platform over here called Wave.video, which is the platform that we're going to make these simple to 7 to 8 second videos. So all we can do is on this landing page, Wave.video, you will see you can create amazing professional looking little videos that promote some product or like a swipe up story, but it's very, very professional looking. It's not like it looks like it was just put together with a few minutes of work on the Instagram story. It's really, really good looking work. We can actually click on see more templates over here. Since I'm giving away a PayPal giveaway, we want to choose maybe something in like a businessy, money looking kind of template theme. So what we can actually do is we can actually go and make trends or use of the trend Black Friday, since that's coming up right now. I actually just came up with that now as I was making this video. So let's actually click on this and we can go click on edit templates, and I'm going to kind of make this video around this. So you need to sign up on this platform. You can sign up for free. I'm just going to sign in with my Google account quickly, and when you've logged in, it's going to come up with this video editor. And take a look at this. If I quickly play this, you can kind of see we can actually replace any of this text, and as it goes through, it kind of transitions to this page. You can replace these pictures as well. And what I had in mind of doing something like this. Let me just click back here. I'm going to go Black Friday $1,000. So I've kind of changed it to this Black Friday $1,000 giveaway, and the picture in the background, I just want to quickly go to Google, and we can go, for example, let's go money background. And I'm going to come over to images over here, and you want to make sure that you click on tools and you want to click on Creative Commons usage rights, because these are images that we are allowed to go and reuse, as those other images that you saw are copyrighted images that you can get into trouble for. But if you go by Creative Commons, you are allowed to reuse these images. Let's choose, for example, let's go, I actually like this picture over here, this $100 bill that's kind of like folded. This makes a nice background for our video. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this image and download it to my PC. And then I'm going to click on the background section of this video area. I'm going to click on a picture over here. I'm going to click on image. It's then going to load, then you're going to click on replace, then what you're going to do is you're going to click on uploads over here, click on upload files, and upload this image that we have just downloaded. And over here, take a look at this. I'm then going to click on replace. I'm going to drag this over here and take a look at that. I think that actually looks really great. And when I click on play, it kind of looks like this. You can see it's kind of like swiping across. It looks really good. And then it transitions to this page. And what I want to do is here, I want to go, I want to type swipe up, and I'm going to type here to enter now. And then this, I'm going to delete. This logo I want to replace. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to try and get a sticker. Let's go overlay and stickers. And I'm going to click on this swipe up sticker over here. You can see it says swipe up. So I'm just going to actually delete this logo. Let's click on delete there. Delete that again. Let's move this here and make this a little bit bigger. And let's take a look at what this looks like. So if I click on play, let's take a look at this. So it says Black Friday $1,000 giveaway, and this is like kind of like a story. And then what happens is transitions to this. You can see swipe up to enter now, and then when people swipe up, it's going to take them to this landing page over here where you can go and make $2.40 per lead that you get signing up on this $1,000 gift card. Then what we're going to do is, now that this video is done, over here we can click on publish at the bottom left, and then what you need to do is, instead of clicking on download, because you actually need a paid account to download this, but I'm going to show you a way around this on how you can download this quickly. So you need to click over here on go to video, which is going to take you to this page. You'll see here is a video landing page. You need to copy this link, come over to a new tab and paste this here, and it's going to look like this. And then come over to the Chrome store and search this app over here, Screen Recorder. So all we have to do is we just have to record this screen for about 13 seconds, which how long this video is, and we can save that to our PC from there. So over here, just click on add to Chrome, click on add extension, and just like that, we can then click on Screen Recorder, come back to our page over here. Let me just open this up, and we can go click on screen. We don't want to choose mic. Click on start recording just like this, and then click on start recording over here. And now it's busy recording. So take a look at this. All you want to do is you then want to click on play and let this play like this. And once the video is done, click on stop sharing over here, and then click on save over here, and then it's going to download it to your PC. And take a look at this. Here is my screen recording, and as you can see over here, it's now saved on my PC. Now all we have to go and do is go and crop this video on some online cropping tool called Clidio.com. We can choose our file, and we can upload that to this website. And once this is done, it's then going to pop up with this, and all we got to do is just kind of crop this to Instagram story size. So let's go and crop it like that, just like that, and move this up a bit over here, and then let's click on crop. And once it's done, click on download, and it's then going to download to your PC. And then what you want to do is you want to come over to Instagram and create some Black Friday themed Instagram page, since that's a trend coming up now in the next few weeks, so we can hop onto that trend and obviously get as much as hype from that as possible to make as much as money as possible. So what you want to do is there's another page over here and take a look at what they're doing. But what I suggest is come over to canva.com, which is a website where you can load like these down for you templates over here and post for Instagram. And I created something like this. Let me just make this 1000. And 1000, and I created a page or a little giveaway post that says 1000 Visa giveaway competition to mark the launch of our brand new page. And you just put the @ name of your page. So for example, Black Friday Specials 2020, we have an awesome competition. You could win a $1,000 Visa gift card. And to enter, follow these steps: share this post to your story and feed, tag us, follow us, click on the link in the bio to submit your entry, and you must do all of the above to enter. So you kind of want to make posts like this on your page while at the same time uploading this video to your story, where you have like a swipe up feature to your Black Friday story. If you don't have the amount of followers for a swipe up, all you do is you just say click on link in bio instead of typing swipe up when making this video. And you want to go and build a theme page, having different giveaways. You can actually come over to Max Bounty. Let me come back quickly. And come back again and take a look at this. You can do, for example, a giveaway of an Apple Watch. Here's an Apple Watch giveaway. Here's a PS4, Xbox One, iPhone 6. But now remember, the traffic of these specific giveaways is mostly in the United States. So what you can actually go and do is, if you want to grow your page with just US followers, come over to this page over here called Influencer Cart. Click on influencercart.com here, and you actually want to come over to browse influencers here. And we can actually leave all of these categories. What's nice is Black Friday kind of fits any category. And take a look at this. These different pages, for example, this is a good idea. This page has 33% United States following. So open them up. What you want to do is, let me just wait for this to load. You want to copy their username over here, come back to Instagram and paste their username here. Click on their page, and all you want to do is, with your new Black Friday giveaways page, you want to click on their followers over here, and you want to go and follow and unfollow about 30 to 40 people an hour, leave comments on these posts and engage with this page to get these followers to see you. And ultimately, because the majority of their audience is from the United States, that means the majority of your audience can be United States as well, meaning most of the people that come onto your landing page and sign up for the giveaway will work and convert into those $2.40 payouts. And then you can also come back to Influencer Cart, keep looking here. For example, this page is mostly India. Don't want to do them. Pakistan, India. Here's 151% United States. This is a definitely good page to go and use. Same thing over here. Go and engage with these pages. Build an audience with a mostly or majority United States following. And you can then do this around multiple different giveaways and make big money online with CPA marketing. So the free strategy is building your page, having these giveaways, the swipe up feature. The paid strategy is actually going to these pages on Influencer Cards, such as these guys, and you can pay them $5. You can pay these guys $25 for a shout out on a page with 232k followers. So for example, that swipe up video, you can go and shout out on their story, and you could get out of 232,000 followers, let's say 10k views. 5,000 of those people swipe up, and even like 100 convert. That is $240 in CPA commissions if they're all from the United States. That's going on like a 0.01% conversion rate. So this is definitely possible with a paid strategy, but the free strategy does take more time. That is building your own page and then having a link in your bio. But also, if you guys want this Canva image over here, all I ask is leave a like on this video, subscribe down below, and leave a comment on this video, and then I will leave a link on the pinned comments. Let's try get this video to let's say 300 likes or 250 likes. And then on the pinned comment of this video, I will leave a download link to this. And then for that ClickBank giveaway that I mentioned I was having in the beginning of this video, all I ask is leave a comment down below saying that you're ready, or some positive comment or something inspiring, such as your favorite quote, and I'll then reply to that comment with the download link to that ClickBank course. But what I need to do is on the screen above, I'm also going to help you out by leaving a link to a video on how you can actually get paid to follow people. This was a strategy that I uploaded about 5 days ago on this channel, which teaches you how to actually get monetized when following people on Instagram. So definitely suggest going to check out this video, as it will really help with this strategy. So make sure you go click on the video on the screen, and I'll see you there.